Welcome to Activity 66, A Little Easier. In this activity, we will be using part, whole to write addition and related subtraction equations. I'm going to use the whole of 13 is equal to the parts of 8 and 5. To make this easier, I'm going to use a post-it note instead of the blocks. First thing I need to do is fold it in half this way. And I'm going to put my whole on the top. The whole of 13 is equal to the parts of 8 and 5. The whole will have the sticky bit on the back. So I'll cut that out. That's my whole. We'll go there. And then my 2 parts will go there. I'm going to record that the whole of 13 is equal to the parts of 8 and 5. Addition is part add part equals whole. Part add part equals whole. 5 add 8 equals 13. When I write my next addition equation, the parts can swap with each other, but they need to be in the parts position. My whole needs to stay in the whole position. So I still have part add part equals whole. 8 add 5 equals 13. When I move to subtraction, I need to remember that subtraction is different. It's whole subtract part equals part. This is the whole position here. This is a part and this is a part. I'm going to pick up my whole and place it in the whole position. I can then put my other numbers in the parts position. Whole subtract part equals part. 13 subtract 8 equals 5. When I write my last subtraction equation, I need to keep my whole in the whole position, but my parts can swap with each other, so they're still in the parts positions. I've still got whole subtract part equals part. So 13 subtract 5 equals 8. And there I have my addition and my subtraction equations for 13 is equal to 8 and 5.